Hi everyone, welcome back to Rahasyamay Developer. Today we are going to solve a common coding problem which is on lead code. So the problem is it's the 88th problem of the lead code of merge sorted array. So today we are going to do this problem. How can we do that problem easily? So now here's the problem. We have two sorted array, means num1 and num2. Okay, our goal is to merge num2 into num1 so that num1 still remains sorted, but here the twist: we would not use any extra space, means we do not use any extra array or anything, okay, for doing this problem. So let's do this problem. So what's the problem is that you have a given two integer array. Just I have said you that we have two array, num1 and num2, sorted in non-decreasing order. Okay, means that is not in non-decreasing order, and two integer m and n represent the number of element in n1 and n2. Means m1 is the array nums dot length of num1s, okay, and n2 is the length of elements in n nums2. Okay, so we should merge this array. The input we are going 1 2 3 0 0 0 and 2 5 6, and the output should be 1 2 2 3 5 6. Okay, so is the output. So how can we do this problem? So let's first look at the code, what we are going to do. First of all, as always, just I want to do that I'm declaring some initial values, just like I equals to m minus 1. So why I am doing this? Because we want to find the last elements in num1's initial position, for initial position. Okay, and int j equals to n minus 1. So it's also the last position for element 2. Okay, after that int k equals to m plus n minus 1. So it's the last position in nums1. Okay, so after that what we will do? First of all, we use while loop for iterating, for the iteration of that array. As in every array question, we should, our first, as always I said you, our first priority should to traverse that array. Okay, first of all we want to traverse that array. So for okay, just I am using while loop, while. Okay, so what we do? I less than equals to 0, I is greater than equals to 0. Okay, so it will always greater than or equals to 0, but it can't be less than 0. Okay, after that and we are comparing two conditions. J is less than equals to greater than equals to 0. Okay, so is the first step. We should we have iterate our array, given array. In this we apply a condition. If array, okay, array nums of 1, okay, nums of 1 of element I is greater than nums of 2 of j. Okay, we are comparing is nums1 is greater, nums1 element is greater than nums2 element. If it is right, then we should nums1 k minus minus, okay, equals to nums1 of I minus minus. So what the condition is this? If the nums1 is greater than nums2, then we are placing nums1, the last value of nums1, to the last last index of nums1 k. Okay, so here is the simple, and we are applying else if nums2 is greater than nums1, should then what will happen? Then nums1 of k minus minus should be based than nums2 I jj nums2 j minus minus. Okay, so it is the initial part through which we are placing our numbers in this, and the last we want to do one more thing. While j is greater than equals to 0, why we are doing this? Because if any element is left behind in j, means nums2 array, then we are only assigning that value to the array 1. Okay, it's the easiest way. We are assigning, okay, k minus minus equals to nums of 2 j minus minus. So here we write the code. So we are going to run this code and see what will happen. So just wait for this. Okay, the test cases will be accepted. Okay, now we are going to submit this problem. Is there is any test case is failed to run? Okay, well done. Our code is accepted. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please give the thumbs up and subscribe to Rahasyamay Developer for more coding tutorial, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I have posted a new video. Thanks for watching and happy coding.